Welcome to Casa de Piedra, a new development in Playa del Carmen where luxury meets the tranquility of nature. Join me as we explore what makes this property truly special. Located in the exclusive Playacar community, Casa de Piedra offers a secure and privileged environment, perfect for those looking to invest in a home or a second residence in the Riviera Maya. As you step inside, open spaces and natural light immediately welcome you. High ceiling and parota wood finishes add a touch of sophistication. The kitchen blends contemporary design with functionality. Features like the black sink and facette are not only stylish, but also practical for everyday use. Casa de Piedra spans more than 5,000 square meters and includes exceptional amenities, 2 pools, a fully equipped gym, a sauna, and dedicated spaces for yoga and cardio. Thoughtful design ensures every resident has access to premium facilities. The living room is designed with comfort and privacy. Offers a warm space for you and your family. Investing in Casa de Piedra offers more than buying a property. It's an investment in one of the most sought-after locations of Playa del Carmen. Flexible financing option with a 30% down payment and 70% at the delivery. Owning this incredible property is easier than ever. Casa de Piedra is more than a home. It's an investment in your future. Ready to make the next step? Contact us at Caribe Luxury Homes. We are specialized to connect you with properties that fit your lifestyle and investment goals.